Presenting the Redgear Cloak gaming headphones. These wired headphones come with noise-isolating memory foam earpads. It also comes with an adjustable split headband that reduces pressure and provides optimal comfort for long gaming sessions. The headphones feature RGB LED light effect on ear-ups and tip of the microphone. The Redgear Cloak gaming headphones comes equipped with 50mm driver with enhanced audio bass and clarity that helps improve your in-game sound experience. The headphone is equipped with an omni-directional microphone which can be used as per your gaming situations. This headphone is suitable for gamers. The headphone comes with built-in controller located on the left ear cup to control volume by scrolling up or down. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am unboxing Redgear Cloak gaming headphones. The gaming headphones have the maximum input power of 0.03 watts. There's 50mm drivers over here, a 3.5mm audio jack. These are wired headphones by the way, and the cable length is 2 meters. Also, there's a microphone over here which is omnidirectional. Now the headphones come with RGB backlight support, so once you plug it in using the USB, you will get a backlight effect as well. This is an adjustable band here. The cushions are also on the softer side. And of course, this is an omnidirectional mic, so once you are going on a fight with your comrades in an online video game, you will be able to communicate very clearly. Now, of course, this cable length is 2 meters, so if you have a big setup, you can expect it to add convenience to your gaming experience. Now there's a 3.5mm jack for the mic, there's a 3.5mm jack for the headphones, and of course this USB to light up this device. There's also a rotating dial for the volume. So guys, that was the unboxing for Redgear Cloak gaming headphones. I hope you found this video helpful. Hey everyone, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I am giving you a quick overview for the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. Now gamers, let me start by talking about the design of this product. The headset features RGB LED lights which adds character to the overall vibe. The split headband on the cloak is comfortable and can be adjusted according to the user. You get inbuilt volume controls on the cloak which is present on the left cup of the headset. The cups are also quite comfortable and comes with a noise isolating memory foam. This is a wired headphone and comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. So what are the features of the Redgear Cloak? Let me talk about them. The headphones feature 50mm drivers which promise to deliver enhanced bass and clarity. There is also an omnidirectional mic on the headphones which will help you communicate better when you're gaming. So guys, that was a quick overview for the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. I hope you found this video helpful.